How to save Snapchat pictures to gallery. This tutorial shows you how to automatically save your Snapchat photos directly to your device's gallery. First, launch the Snapchat application on your Android device. Next, the camera interface will appear as your main screen. Following that, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner. Now, your profile page will load with your snap code and settings. Moving forward, tap on the gear icon at the top right to access settings. Afterwards, scroll down through the settings menu to find memories. In addition to that, tap on memories to open memory and saving preferences. Once this page opens, look for Save button or saving options. Subsequently, tap on Save button to configure where your snaps are saved. Moreover, you'll see different saving options like memories, memories in camera roll, or camera roll only. Afterwards, select memories and camera roll to save photos to both locations. Then, your Snapchat photos will automatically save to your device gallery. Within this section, you can also enable Save Story Snaps for automatic story saving. Alternatively, if you want to save individual snaps manually without changing settings, once you've taken a photo, tap on the download icon at the bottom left. Then, the snap will be saved directly to your phone's gallery instantly. Afterwards, you can access your saved Snapchat pictures through your Gallery or Photos app. Then all your Snapchat photos are now safely stored on your device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you save Snapchat pictures to gallery, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.